Post-pandemic, in order for us to ramp up and grow at the level at which we want to grow, you would very well know that FDI plays a very important role. So I would like for you to set a stage for us as to where do we stand. We have performed very poorly in FDI. Everyone knows that. So where do we stand and what should we do? Over to you.
On the issue of FDI, the dialogue we had as a FICCI president almost 10 years back, one of the meetings with the Indian finance minister, FICCI, as a FICCI president, I raised this issue that, the FDI, that we are talking about 100% growth, but in terms of absolute value, it is absolutely peanut. And that's how actually it was also reported in the newspaper. So at that time, there was a tension whether we're going for local investment and then it is going to be in the interest of the local investment, FDI is favorable or not. So it is a long dialogue we had, that we also talked about whether actually, the China model we can follow, because China grew because of the FDI, and they actually, then they developed their own ecosystem for the local industrialization. So slowly the government understood. Now the positive thing is that what we actually understood, that what we were lacking, not only in terms of infrastructure, we had serious problem. So government took up if it is late, never mind. Economic zones are being created, both private and the government, and all the utilities are going to be supplied at a competitive rate. And government is also trying to develop the fiscal policy which is competitive to other countries. So one step we have gone ahead. We are creating that platform where they don't have to really struggle for the land. In countries like Bangladesh, the titleship of the land is also a big question. And now, and the price of the land is also, private land is also very question, and along with all other facilities like environmental certificate, things like that. So if it is from one body and on which BIDA is also working, so automation is one thing. So I think that kind of negotiation has happened, and countries also specific have shown interest. Japan has taken one economic zone. China has taken, and for various other industries, Visa at Mirsharai, they are almost, at the final stage. As a company, we also have taken a space in Mirsharai, Bangabandhu Mirsharai economic zone. But there are still, a lot of things. The first time when you have this, there are a lot of dialogue and a lot of issues are there. And I think the stage is now set. And we were in competitive scenario with other countries, and let's see now let's invite, and it's the right time, since a lot of investments are going away from China because of China-US relationship. So I think we are in the right spot right at the moment, and I'm very hopeful and positive about it.